Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the topic of trigonometry in a math. Trigonometry is very useful for ICSE, CBSE and state syllabus. Trigonometry is very interesting topic in a math if we learn it. Today let us start the topic trigonometry. What is introduction to trigonometry? What do we need to know about the trigonometry? What is about trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of the sides and the angles of a triangle and the problems allied with angles. What is the word trigonometry? What do you understand by the word trigonometry? How the word is derived, trigonometry? How does this word trigonometry came? The word trigonometry is actually derived from the Greek word trigonon, means triangle, and metron means measure. What is a trigonometry? The shape of a right triangle is determined by the value of either of the other two angles. This means that once one of the other angle is known, the ratios of the various sides are always the same regardless of the size of the triangle. These ratios are described by the following trigonometric functions of the known angle. This means that if one of the angle and one side length is known, all other angles and the side lengths can be determined. Or it means that if two sides of the triangle are known, the third side and all other angles can be determined. Before we go on any further, here is some terminology for labeling the sides of a right angle triangle. All of us know that what is a right triangle. What is a right angle? Right angle means one side is a 90 degrees. So here we are representing the triangle with one side 90 degrees. The hypotenuse is the longest side and is always opposite to the right angle. The hypotenuse is always the longest side. The longest side is always called the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is the longest side and is always opposite to the right angle. The opposite side is the one opposite to the angle we are interested in. The adjacent side is the one next to the angle we are interested in. So here we can see the representation of hypotenuse, adjacent side and the opposite side. As we all know that the longest side is the hypotenuse. So we are here representing it clearly for the better understanding. So here, representation of a sine. Sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. This we need to remember it clearly. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan A, opposite side by adjacent side. So what are the trigonometric ratios for sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta? So what is the sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, whereas tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. Sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side, whereas the cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side. Please subscribe to our channel, like us and subscribe it. Thank you everybody.